Start. I also discussed the question of supply of high performance fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force, the need for which was established in exercise Shiksha held last year. The US authorities, while discussing supply of such aircraft under the Military Assistance Program, pointed out that the question of introducing another type of supersonic aircraft may have to be studied further. In the circumstances, no final decision was taken. The US authorities offered to send a team of experts to determine whether they could be of assistance in further development of this aircraft and in its production. The team has since visited India and has submitted a report which is under examination. On the question of supply of naval vessels for replacing the overage ships in our fleet, it was agreed that our requirements in this field should first be discussed with the British government. Apart from the grant assistance and credit assistance which the US government have agreed to provide during the fiscal year 1965 and which they are willing to consider for the subsequent years. I attach considerable importance to the fact that the need for strengthening the defense production base in India has been fully recognized by the US authorities, and a substantial portion of the credits already offered will be utilized for modernization of the Indian ordnance factories. During my stay, I visited a number of defense installations and training establishments in the US. On hearing of the sudden passing away of Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, I cut short my visit in the US and returned to India on May 28, 1964. A meeting with President Johnson scheduled for May 28, 1964 could not take place. As honorable members are aware, we had concluded an agreement in 1962 with the Soviet Union for establishing production of MiG 21 fighter aircraft. While we have proceeded with civil works and preparation of project reports, it was found that there were several important fields not covered by the original agreement, in which, without additional Soviet assistance, it would not be possible to establish early production of the aircraft. It was also our intention to explore possibilities of securing assistance in respect of certain other equipments included in the plan. Stop.